Watch you!
Alright, peeps, so remember saying, I told you guys I have a surprise for you, right? So right now, I'm on my way to New York from Jersey City. Yeah man, I'm going to link up with one of my good friends who have a turbocharged 2ZZ in a Corolla. So right now, I'm on my way over there right now. So me and my boy John right here. Don't know vibes. Yeah man, big up John in the man. Yeah man, John take me all around Jersey City. And right now we're on our way to New York. So you don't know vibes, so just stay tuned. Like, share, subscribe. Motorsportja. Yeah man. Yo peeps, yo me cool. Alright, so reach our location. Actually see here right now. Yo. Machine clean. Yo people, you see how far we travel just for this vlog? I have to take all plane. Bomba, what the general?
Mad bro, mad.
What the general, big up on yourself.
Big up yourself, boss.
Yeah man, so yeah peep, this is owner for bad 2ZZ.
Yeah man, Omar, you don't know a thing go.
Yeah, we say I builder.
Yeah man.
Where I name?
Everton, you know?
Everton. Alright, Everton.
Box. You understand?
Alright,
alongside box.
we soon talk to Everton now.
Yeah.
But you don't know vibes. You just can't introduce yourself and come tell me about your machine you have right here. Cause yo.
You don't know say Omar, you know you go, you know. You see it?
Where is Omar?
Yeah man, Omar man, you know. Don't know. My owner for the body 100, you see it?
Yeah, cause right now, no. 2ZZ, I want like a hot topic at JA, you know.
Yeah,
and if
bro.
you see a man a rep 2ZZ in a New York.
A real meds man, a real meds.
Me really have to say, yo, me have to go take a plane just to go link up. You see me?
Man, you know energy go man, you know you go.
Say yo, Ford can tell me about the machine, man.
Jaja. Alright, brother. Tell me what you want to know about it right now.
Tell me everything about this car, man.
You want to?
Matter of fact, what year car is this though?
It's a 1993 no bro.
1993.
1993 man, you know me buy it was a automatic. You see it and switch it out and turn it in a manual, put a 20 valve gearbox in it first. You know what I say? And that never did really carry the swing, so I say, you know what? Z.
Yeah.
And I just got all motor never did give me more, so link up with the real Stinger boss and the Stinger boss say, yo, what you know? Boost. I would just start boost it and just start build the engine and just throw everything in it.
So this 2ZZ is a full build 2ZZ?
Yeah man, full build man. Rods and everything in it, brother man. You understand? Come right up, you understand?
Yeah,
Now, as you can see it there?
You're rocking the Malibu stance.
Yes, bro.
I don't know vibes.
Motorsports, you don't know man, I have to big up motorsports in my bro, cause you know. You have to come on New York, brother, come vlog this in my bro, cause you don't know, you know. You see it?
Yeah. So why 2ZZ though?
You know so brother, I'll be honest with you. I don't really feel the energy in the 20 like that, cause I rock the 22 and never give me the energy there.
Yeah.
So I somebody say, you know what? I just go the lift mode, you know. You understand?
Yeah.
I feel the first and second lift, I say, oh, this is the lift. You understand? Somebody just say, you know what? I said the thing there, brother. Hallelujah, brother. You understand?
Yeah. So we say you never really get the vibes with
the 20? No. I never did really get the vibes with the 20, bro. You understand? So we just fling it every night, you understand? And boy, I never really have a good mechanic, so watch you know. I meet the Stinger boss.
Yeah.
And the boss just fling beer juice in it. You understand?
Yeah.
Beer juice in the car and the car just not ride right now. It does mad. It does mad, brother. That's why I have a name Attitude. You understand? So you see Attitude on the front.
Yo, just go show you about the machine.
That is it, man. That is it.
Yeah, man.
Don't know.
See what go on with General.
You say you want to see everything?
Yo, right now I feel excited about this vlog, you know.
Cool, brother, man. We're not hiding no secret, bro.
Yeah, man. Bro. Yo, people, like up the video there, please and thank you. See how far I travel? Yeah, man. Cost me a lot, man. Like up the video. Watch it ads, so yeah? Alright, so just gonna tell me what going on in the engine room right here now.
Well, right now, I have a call the builder.
Call him, man. Call the builder, man.
The builder said me to put if we go in there. Come in, builder.
Yo, builder.
Yeah.
Introduce yourself to the people, then. Where we can find a shop to you.
Big up Jamaica.
Yeah.
Right? Big up my brethren them, you know?
Yeah.
Mechanic like Spoon, Markland,
Yeah.
and Spy, that Big Dan,
Yeah.
and Seymour them, all of them man, you know?
Yeah, so it's big up
Big
the
up
whole
all of them. Big up
whole
all
of
of
yard.
race man them, man.
Whole of race man them.
Yeah, man.
So me is a fabricator
Yeah, man.
behind this nice 2ZZ turbocharged here now, because not a lot of 2ZZ turbocharged in Jamaica. Roughly 4 or 5, you know. Yeah, but you don't know vibes. I will see what I'm going to say now. Tell us about it now.
Yeah, man, yeah. Say, my brethren come and tell me say him need me for turbocharge 2ZZ for him. I'm say, alright, no problem. So, we get into it and start pull down and put together, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah. Pull down and put in like rods, piston, bolts, and you know, like springs, headworks,
Yeah,
all them
yeah.
stuff. Yeah, man.
So you pour the head?
No, we don't really put the head. We just go valve spring and retainer.
Yeah, valve spring and retainer.
Yeah.
It's dyno?
No, we don't dyno it yet.
Oh, you don't dyno it yet?
Dyno yet, yeah. The dyno the next thing from now. Everything put together now, and you know.
Yeah.
So, you know, we're supposed to have a machine.
Yeah. So, what's the name of your shop though?
Rise Auto.
Rise Auto Repair.
Yeah.
Why address our shop?
934 Homestead. Maybrook, yeah.
Oh, 934 Homestead,
Yeah.
Maybrook Avenue. Yeah, peeps, so if you don't want to find the shop, 934 Homestead. You see me? Yeah, man. Mechanic kind of more shy, I don't know vibes, but
Yeah, everybody knows them is a shy man.
I guess
already,
everybody
yeah?
knows he's a shy guy.
Yeah, man. Everybody knows he's a
So,
shy
yo,
man already.
any challenges though putting the setup together?
No, no challenge.
Don't challenge.
No challenge. All, I mean, when you come on to the piping and stuff,
Yeah.
yeah, I have no challenge. Everything was good.
Yeah. So, what ECU you running on the car though, Omar?
You know, say a fuel tech up on the door, bro.
Oh, you're running a fuel
Man, can
tech?
get a walk through, make you see inside.
Yeah, man. Yo.
Yeah, bro.
You want to walk
Come on,
through,
on
man?
the side, bro. Yeah, man. Fuel tech me run, brother. Yeah, man. 550 fuel tech in the machine. See it there? You know what I mean? I switch the key so you can see what I'm going. You see?
Yeah.
See it there? It's a light up there.
Yo, peeps. Yo, inside of the car clean too, you know, peeps. Car clean, peeps. Fuel Tech 550. Yeah, man. Showing I set up full interior. Yeah, man. Nice. So, the wire work and thing.
You know, say I father oral do it though.
Father
yeah,
oral do
man,
wiring.
oral wire up the fuel tech, you understand? Even when I did all motor and them thing, him the wire to stop brain.
Yeah.
You know, I'm just saying no.
So, oral do the electrician work for you?
Yeah, man, them do everything, man. All of that. You understand? I don't know. We are the Stinger boss over there, sir.
Yeah,
you know what I mean?
Stinger boss, I call
Yeah,
him.
Stinger boss, man. You understand? I make a car wash this, brother.
Yeah,
You understand?
yeah.
Man, the car does sound like a bees, brother. Like a something a sting, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah,
So,
I make it sound like
I
a
noticed he said that it's not tuned as yet though. You're planning on tuning soon?
Yeah, we are planning to tune it next week, you know.
Oh,
We are trying to throw it on the dyno.
Alright.
You know what I mean?
So,
Yeah, so
I'll swing by when they're gonna tune it.
that
Get
is
a
it.
little
Yes,
interview,
man.
see where.
That is it, brother.
So, how much power you aiming for though?
You know, say, I try to carry up in a 5 and a little bit, you know.
5 and a little bit.
Yeah, man, 5 and a little bit good, that's all.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Even though a street car, you don't know.
Yeah,
a bit
yeah,
have the power. You understand?
Yeah.
That's how we are aiming first.
Yeah.
That's
Yo,
how
bro.
we aim.
So, how your braking system set up?
You know, so right now they on stop brake. But
Stop
right
brake.
now, after I come from dyno, we can upgrade the brake.
Right,
You
because
understand?
with all this power right now, you know you're gonna want
Yeah, we
braking
know
system.
that. Yeah, we know. But I stop brake upon it with some upgraded brake pad.
Yeah.
That's all about it. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Otherwise, you know.
And
yeah.
and I notice you're not running the exhaust through the through the bonnet.
No, we not cut up car and them thing then, bro.
Yeah.
We not do them cut up business, brother. I like how my car clean. As you can see, look, bonnet scoop alone. You understand?
Yeah, yeah.
So the turbo can get cool down. You understand?
Right,
Yeah, man. So you know, 3-inch from the turbo all the way back.
Yeah.
You understand? Full exhaust system. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
That's all about it, and you know, I run a bad boy turbo on it, see me. You understand?
Yeah.
You understand? Yeah, man. Ball bearing, Paul. You understand?
All right. I notice. You notice. You're using drive-by-wire.
Yeah, me no use cable, brother. I will carry that. You understand? Nah, this is the thing still, but watch you know.
Yeah.
1993, brother.
Yeah.
Watch you know. Me no use cable, bro.
Yeah,
you understand?
man.
You don't know, say the current thing more response. You understand?
All right. Most of the guys in Jamaica run the Mega Squirt ECU.
Yeah.
Why you go fuel tech though?
You know, say here now, me really kinda like for sewer go on. You understand? You see the Mega Skirt now, me can't see nothing. You understand?
Oh, you like the screen?
Yeah, my life is see the screen with everything, boost, everything. You understand?
Yeah.
So that's why I go with the touch button thing. You understand? Yes, you don't know a thing there. Yeah, bro. Yeah, man.
Alright, so you're rocking some solid
yeah, man,
engine
solid
mounts.
Mount, man. Yeah, man, everything fully built, brother.
Yeah, man,
solid mount.
The mounts
Front and back, you understand?
The mounts are built. The poly mounts?
Yes, yeah, man, poly mount. One regular mount upon it, and the 2ZZ stock mount upon it, right? So you understand? But everything else, all three of them solid up. You understand?
Yeah. Yo, bro.
And me have on the side one upon it. You can't see, you don't know, you go.
Yo, I'm loving the car, bro. Honestly.
Cool, brother, man. And watch you fully AC, you know.
Fully AC?
Yeah, man, AC machine, man. Cause you know over here hot, you know, bro. You know what I mean? Even though now cold, but you know, summertime come back here, we need the AC.
Yeah. And the heater working, everything works.
Everything work, bro. Everything, man. Machine well function, brother. You understand?
Yeah.
Me have some Rev 9 suspension upon it. You know what I mean? The bonnet jack, them everything same. You know what I mean? I'm tired of your hold up it. You know what I mean? I say hold up there.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Yeah. We don't really say certain things, but we're tired of hold up this year. You understand?
Yo, bro. I'm loving the machine and it look really clean.
That's cool, my brother, man.
Yeah, man.
Cool, bro.
I love the difference.
That is it.
Yeah, man. You see how far me travel just to come get this interview?
Bro, brother, I tell you.
Yeah, man.
All the way from Jamaica, bro.
Yeah, big up yourself in interview.
Cool,
big up yourself in interview again, bro.
I saw you think, brother, man.
Yeah, man. So, yo, you don't know your vibes. Because me I can check you when the machine are dying.
Yes, man. You come get a video, man, when you go up the dying.
Yeah. We want to hear it doing now.
You want
to hear it. But look at now. You want to big up anybody I had see you, eh?
Alright.
Not even yard. You want to big up anybody over here.
Here I go on right now. First, I want to big up the builder. You see the builder, if you never fit the builder, you won't reach you there right now. Big up him son, Dwayne. You understand? You don't know a thing go. And you don't know. My wife there. Big up my wife said where is he?
You don't know myself.
You understand? That is it. You understand?
Yeah.
Well, I'm bridging them Kyle. You don't know.
Yeah.
Kyle said we otherwise named Jaggy. You understand?
Yeah.
You have a bad machine just like this at 20.
Yeah.
Now this is a 20, you know, but I don't know. You understand?
Where say? Hold on.
No, we know this is a 20, but I don't know. You understand?
You don't know.
You have a bad 20.
Yeah, where say? Hold on. When I die on thing, you think the 20 can run up?
Boy, I don't feel like that gonna happen, brother.
Yeah.
That not gonna happen. That not gonna happen, bro. You understand?
Yeah.
Me not disrespect 20, but that not gonna happen. You understand?
Yeah.
That me not think that gonna happen, brother.
Yeah, you not think that happen?
No, that not gonna happen.
That should not happen.
That not supposed to happen none at all, brother. None at all.
Yeah.
No, man, that not supposed to happen, brother. You mad?
Yo, where's the builder? Where's the builder?
No, man.
You
20 I mash it down.
20 I can mash it down?
Yes, man.
25 I can mash down this?
No man, me 2ZZ.
Oh, I can mash down the 20.
Oh yes.
Oh, so you have any fast car of your own?
20 valve. I love 20 valves still now.
Yeah.
My son have a 20 valve I run them Starlet
Yeah.
down there. Yeah man.
Wait, yard?
Yeah my yard.
Yeah.
Yeah man. It go on good too. But I mean right yes now when I build a 2ZZ
Yeah.
I look for something special out of it.
Yeah, it was something special.
Yeah, I look for something special. You know, I'm not really say nothing right now, but I look for something special.
Yeah. So you have any project of your own building though?
Well, I have a Starlet down there where I plan to go down, go build.
Yeah.
For race, but.
What type of engine are you planning to put in it? Are you not disclosing?
2ZZ.
2ZZ?
Yeah, man.
All motor boost.
No man, straight boost. Straight boost.
Straight boost.
Yeah, you know, say for our go boost, you know, like, we not really like natural again.
Yeah. Yo,
Boost is the way.
boost is the way.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Boost is the way. Yeah, man.
Take a tour around for the car, brother, and you know, you can look where I go around as I said.
Oh, in that shop?
No, yeah, man, you can look where I go in the shop, see man, and you understand? You know what I mean? Yeah, shop kind of fresh still, no?
Yo, we look for the shop later, no?
Yeah.
So,
But
we'll
take a
just
look on the
take a
car,
little
see,
walk
you
through that
understand?
machine. You
You
don't
don't
know
know
vibes.
for Jamaica and at all, you know?
Can't live for Jamaica. Yo, big up 876th Street.
Yeah,
You
man.
don't know
For
vibes.
Jamaica, bro.
Kejan, big up yourself. Boss, a rock on your decal, same way. Yeah, man. Don't know
You
vibes.
don't know, I'm say motorsports, big you up in the youth.
Yeah, man.
I tell you, you know. I tell you, motorsports, you are the brother, when you see a sticker, go up on my car. Brother, look, you can see the car full of motorsports. You understand? Alright.
Don't know vibes,
Yeah,
people.
man. I want to tell you, bro. Yeah, man, but that's the thing, brother.
So, yo, yeah, as I was saying with the big ups, though.
Watch out now, as me say, big up everybody.
Yeah.
You understand? Because too much people big up right now.
Yeah,
You understand? So me I say, watch out now, big up from yard, broad, you know the thing go. You see it?
Alright.
Yeah, man, you don't know.
Alright, peeps, so you got it. Omar with the turbocharged 2ZZ Corolla in New York. You see me? Wait, I get a startup still. Yo, we know I forget, you know.
Yeah,
Wait.
man. I'm going to tell you, say, big up Orius. You understand? As it done. Now money, you know?
Yeah.
You know Orius, right?
With the Pulsar?
Yeah, man, with the yellow car.
Yeah, I know Horace one.
Yeah, man, I'm a boy that one.
I'm a bridging
Big him
to
up.
see you,
Big
man.
up all I'm bridging them. Ossie and Neil, the whole of them. Yeah, man, big up all of them.
Alright. Yo, I'll get a startup on the machine.
So why you start up?
Yeah, man, now you're a startup. So, like you're not tune when I get on pulling light and thing.
No, we're not going to no pull it. You know what I mean? You don't can drive regular for right now. We're not squeeze it now. You understand?
Yeah.
Right now, as the thing is, the engine still a breaking. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
Everything fresh.
Right.
You know what I mean?
Hopefully next week we can get a pull light machine.
Yeah, man. I'm if you tell her, brother. You know what I go already.
Yeah,
Start
man.
up with Jugs. You understand? Jugs the name, you know?
Where's that?
Jugs, brother.
Jugs.
Yeah, man. Yeah, brother. So you know, you don't know what I mean, motorsports. I painted this, you know, I paint the machine, you know. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Can't left out this man I said speed, you know. I make the car look spectacular. You know what I say? You understand?
Yeah, man. So, yo, big up yourself, my general.
Yes,
nice to meet you.
Yeah, man.
So, you're the painter of this car?
Yes.
Yeah? So, your place located? I can introduce yourself if fans are watching.
It's a Rydell from Manig, Senton.
Oh, you're from the yard too?
Yeah,
Yeah?
man, Manig, Senton, man.
So, where's shop there? Where is the shop located in the US?
Oh, the shop was at 934 Olmsted Avenue, Maybrook, New
Oh,
York.
they say, so the fabrication and painting going at the shop?
Yeah, right here. Yeah.
Oh, so you're not man work together?
That's the brother.
Yeah,
Oh,
that's
your
my
brother?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't never know it's
That's
your
a neighbor
brother.
from, what you call it down in Jamaica? Blue Spots?
I never know it's
Blue
your brother,
Speck.
man.
Yeah, I'm a brother, man.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So motorsports.
So I run as well. You know, sell car, everything.
Yeah.
man. Work on car, body work.
Yeah. Oh, so it's a one-stop shop then?
Yeah.
Yes, man. Everything going on, so.
Yeah, man. So that is some of the work you have going on over there.
That's 67? No,
86.
86 Corolla.
Yeah, that's an 86.
86 Corolla. This is 96 Chevy Impala.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what's it doing to the Chevy? Repainting it?
Yeah, rebuild it.
All right. So what going for 86 right now, sir?
Well, the one has a S2000 him put in it.
Yeah.
Yeah, he have a black top, but him change his mind from the black top.
Yeah.
So he put S2000 in it.
That's a Honda engine.
Yeah, Honda engine.
Oh, so I'm a crossbreed.
Yeah,
the
my
Toyota.
crossbreed. The times I'm gonna rate it again because I'm a crossbreed.
Yeah. What? So my God, it looks nice though.
The guy just spent 12,000 on the engine for this.
Yeah? Is the same guy own this?
No, not a friend who owned this.
Oh. Well, when I reveal too much a general secret, I don't know
Yeah.
vibe, but big up yourself, I don't
Yes,
know
my
vibes.
brother.
Yeah, man. Yeah, peeps, I don't know vibes. Motorsportja. I bring, yo, me calling now, yo. Right now, you see me here? Me hand them a freeze. Hand them a freeze, peeps. So, I don't know vibes, so when Omar is tuning his 2ZZ, we're gonna check in back. But I hope you guys enjoyed this little video today. So just like up the video. Yo, we're out. You see me?
Motorsportja.